If in case you are wondering that where the emotional intelligence of the 21st century generation is heading, then in a recent news, which you all might be aware until now, that the UP board stopper Prachi Nigam is under heavy social media trolling because of her facial hair and appearance. But this was not it for this generation. They had to go a step ahead than just trolling. So, Bombay Shaving Company took Prachi's facial hair to another level. They posted a billboard ad saying, "Dear Prachi, they are trolling your hair today. They'll applaud your AIR tomorrow." And beneath it, in a much smaller letters, it said, "We hope you never get bullied into using our razor." Now, a company's marketing urge to just fit in the trend and stay relevant in the social media game, I guess, hardly puts a teenage girl's sentiment above the profits. Prachi Nigam, heavily impacted by the trolling, in a recent interview with BBC Hindi, says this.
ट्रेंडिंग में होने लगी कि ये कैसी लड़की है और इसके हेयर्स पे मुंह पर हेयर्स बहुत सारे हैं, उसकी वजह से मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग में आ गई मैं। शायद अगर टॉप मतलब कि नंबर 1-2 कम हो जाते तो टॉप पर ही ना आती तो शायद इतना फेमस भी ना होती तो ज़्यादा ठीक रहता।
Now, this condition for which Prachi is being trolled, where a girl develops hair on her face like a man, is called hirsutism. It occurs when male hormones called androgens increases in a woman's body. To note a point in this context that regardless of gender, a man or a woman both have male and female hormones in them. And then according to their gender, the respective hormone dominates in them. But being a female producing abnormal level of androgens like the testosterone hormone could be because of many medical reasons like PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's a hormonal problem that hits a woman's body during her reproductive years. In PCOS, small sacs of fluid develop along the outer edge of the ovary. These are called cysts. These cysts contains immature eggs called follicles, and the follicles fails to regularly release the eggs. Then the second medical reason could be adrenal gland disorder. In this disorder, a woman makes either too much or too less of a hormone. Third reason could be medications. Sometimes the medicine consumption during a sick time period can affect a woman's hormonal balance adversely. So now, after hearing all these points, you can easily understand that a worthy teenage girl who is a topper is being trolled for something that is not in her hands. It's a medical case. And that's why it compels me to ask this question, that if she has got facial hair, then what it has to do with the society? What harm is she doing to the society? Why the society is so outraged with a girl having facial hair? For more such videos, keep on watching NewsX.